Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, we are going to look into a flag in Flutter which could help you debug oversized images. Why do we need this? Let's say you have an image which is of a very big resolution and you are using it in your mobile app. Mobile apps typically won't need that much big resolution images, so Flutter will be loading the image into the memory by default with its native or the actual resolution. For example, I have a Flutter app running here which is loading an image, and if I go to the properties of the image, you could see that its resolution is 3000 into 2000, which is a very big resolution, and the actual device might not need that. Now this particular flag needs to be added in your main, so you could go to the main and make this flag to true. Now if you rerun the app, you could see the image got flipped as well as color inverted. Along with that, Flutter is giving a warning that the image was actually decoded with a size of 3000 into 2000, which I showed you guys here. And the required size was only 1290 into 859. And you could also see that it is saying, which is leading to an additional usage of this much memory, which is a performance overhead. So we have to reduce it. So how to do it? We have two ways of achieving this. One is by specifying cacheHeight and cacheWidth parameter within the image widget, or using a separate widget called ResizeImage. You could specify the cacheHeight and cacheWidth, then rerun the app. Now you could see that there is no more color inversion or the image getting flipped because this is the actual optimized size in which it should be loaded so that there is no memory overhead. You could make it a media query to get the actual screen size dynamically if you are planning to use it as a responsive app. Here it's expecting an integer and this media query always returns you a double. So just divide it with 1 and also make sure do an integer division so that the output is an integer. Now also you can see that the image is loaded and it is matching the width of the screen, but it is no more showing the warning because we told Flutter framework that please use this width to decode the image rather than using its native or actual width so that it could reduce the memory usage. Now the another way of doing it is using the resize widget. So if you use a resize widget, you could give a provider which is asset image or a network image or anything. Now if you rerun it, you could see the image again got loaded and we are good. There is no more that warning being shown. One thing to note is the precache image and the resize image are two different things. Precache image is to be used when you want to load the image ahead of time. For example, you want to load the image during the startup itself. It will load the image into the memory when the startup screen comes without even displaying the image, and you could use the same asset in some other screen so that you could reduce the fetching delay and you could instantly show it. And the resize image is actually used for reducing the memory consumption as such, because if the image is a very big image and it is not really required to load that image into the memory with that resolution, you could specify a resolution with which it could be loaded into the RAM, which could save some memory. You can use the combination of both to improvise, but yeah, all I wanted to say is both are two different things, but there are benefits which overlap each other. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.